this is my real farm, and these are Harley and Champion Texas puppies. They're doing real good, as you can see. They all want one toy. We got several toys out here, but they all want to play with this one. This one right here is the boy that might be chosen. And they're doing good. The ones with the yellow collars or orange collars or whatever are the females. Like here is a female right here. They're doing good, as you can tell. They're playful. They're playful little puppies. Here's the biggest one out of the litter right now. He's definitely the biggest. They're all doing, doing good. Sorry, I'm not really good at taking a video all by myself, but they're doing good. If you want individual pictures, you can contact me at My Real Farm. They all want to be right at my feet. This is the female too, and this is the little male. Thank you.